Hey Amanda, do you by any chance know what a computer network is?
Yeah, why you ask?
Oh, I'm just doing an assignment for class is all.
Fun.
Just answer the questions.
Alright, geesh. A computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other for the purpose of communication.
And what is a router used for?
A router is used to connect other computers to the same connection.
Bueno.
Don't you know any of this stuff?
Of course I do.
Right. So tell me then, what is the major components of most modern LANs, including servers, one-step print, and workstations?
Hubs, routers, switches, network interface cards, cable, and a network operating system.
Okay. I guess you got that. What about bridges then? How can bridges be used to reduce traffic?
No fair. I'm the one supposed to be asking questions here.
Aha! Having lots of bridges reduces traffic by using multiple routes to spread out the traffic, so if one route was to fail, it could easily reroute.
Okay, so I got another question for you. What are the... Oh, shit. What?
Okay, so I got another question for you. What are the various topologies and their characteristics?
Let's see. Well, I think there's 5. Bus, ring, star, tree, and mesh. Bus networks, if I'm correct, use a common backbone to connect all devices. A single cable, the backbone, functions as a shared communication medium that devices can attach or tap into with an interface connector. A device wanting to communicate with another device on the network would send a broadcast message onto the wire that all other devices see, but only the intended recipient actually accepts the processes the message. Ethernet bus topologies are relatively easy to install and don't require much cabling. However, bus networks work best with a limited number of devices. If more than a few dozen computers are added to a network bus, performance problems will likely result. Also, if the backbone cable fails, the entire network becomes unusable. In a ring network, every device has exactly 2 neighbors for communication purposes. All messages travel through a ring in the same direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. A failure in any cable or device breaks the loop and can take down the entire network. Lots of home networks use the star topology. A star network has a central connector point that's either a hub, switch, or router. Devices typically connect to the hub with unshielded twisted pair Ethernet. A star network generally requires more cable than a bus network, but a failure in any star network cable will only take down one computer's network access and not the entire LAN unless the hub itself fails. Tree topologies integrate multiple star topologies together onto a bus. Hub devices connect directly to the tree bus, and each hub functions as the root of a tree of devices. Mesh involves the concept of routes. Unlike the other topologies, messages sent on a mesh network can take any of several possible paths from source to destination. Some WANs, most notably the Internet, employ mesh routing. A mesh network in which every device connects to every other is called a full mesh.
That's right.
Wow, so I got one last question, okay? I'm sorry, I'm like...
Oh, wait.
I read all of that, so you have to say something.
Okay, I didn't know it was my turn. Okay, so they actually know something about it.
So I got one last question, okay? Which topologies are commonly used for popular LAN types, like Ethernet?
Easy, bus, and ring topologies.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, while you're still there, what are the layers of the OSI model?
Physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application.
Thanks again. Peace.